What are isochrones? Isochrones are geographical representations that depict areas reachable within a certain time frame from a specific location. They are a valuable tool for assessing accessibility and planning transportation infrastructure. What is the benefit of this? The benefit of isochrones lies in their ability to illustrate travel time and accessibility. By analyzing isochrones, we can quickly identify areas that are easily reachable within a given time frame. Now, let's explore how we can utilize isochrones. We show railway station accessibility as an example to demonstrate isochrones. And guess what? You can leave your worries behind. Introduce MapOG where you can do this kind of analysis easily. Let's get ready and discover the realm of accessibility for train stations like never before. Open the MapOG map analysis interface, navigate to Add Upload to incorporate railway platform data. Select Upload Vector File. Now browse and select the vector file from your system. Then upload. Once the data is uploaded, let's give a name to the untitled map from Edit Map Name and click Save Map. Now we incorporate isochrones. First go to Process Data, then click Isochrones. Here select the layer first, where you want to create the isochrones. It must be a point layer. Now, give a name to the isochrone layer by the mode of the isochrone like driving, then select the mode, driving. Now, put the time 60 minutes, then click Submit. Now, style the isochrone. First select the style type as basic style. Then you can customize the color as per your choice. Last, click Next. The isochrones are successfully added now. Now, go to Add More Isochrones. And repeat the same process, only change the mode to cycling. And set the time for 30 minutes for cycling. After customizing the style, let's click Save Style and Next. The final output includes visual representations of the two isochrones generated for each railway station, illustrating accessibility by different mode of transportation. These outputs provide valuable insights for decision-making in transportation planning and infrastructure development. Here we focus on the transportation industry, particularly railway operators and urban planners. By assessing the accessibility of railway stations, these stakeholders can identify areas with limited connectivity and prioritize infrastructure improvements to enhance public transit accessibility. Isochrones are very helpful in many other industries like real estate, delivery service, tourism and many more. Through the use of MapOG, we demonstrated how isochrones can be generated and analyzed to assess the accessibility of public transit hubs, with a focus on railway stations. Thanks for watching. Let's explore the other tools from MapOG. Have any queries? Contact us at support@mapog.com for further assistance.